Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Dunkin's newest bacon avocado toast. It's an upgrade from the original avocado toast they released earlier this year and that I previously made a video on. But first I'm going to Dunkin to try out their new bacon avocado toast so I can compare it to mine's at the end of this video. And here's what I got from Dunkin. This was $4.49. Almost $5 with tax. Alright, so we're gonna taste test this Dunkin' Donuts bacon avocado toast. Let's give this a try. See how it tastes like. So I feel like this has good bacon flavor. The avocado toast with a bunch of bacon on it. Pretty good. Now that I've tasted it, I went to their website to find the exact ingredients used. Stay tuned as I'll show you how to put this together next. So Dunkin mentions using cherrywood bacon. However, I could not find cherrywood at the grocery store I went to. So the next closest thing I found was Applewood bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this instead, along with a sourdough bread, avocado, slice of lemon, black pepper, sea salt, and everything for a bagel seasoning. So first we're gonna cook 2 bacon strips. We'll use 2 strips per toast. When done, you can set them aside on a paper napkin plate to absorb the oil. Now we'll cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. And we'll cut the avocado into dices vertically and horizontally so they'll be easier to mash up. And then squeeze the avocado into a bowl, or you can scoop it out with a spoon. At this time you can start toasting the sourdough bread. You'll want it a bit crispy. Back to the avocado, add about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, about 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, squeeze out about 1/4 or half of a lemon juice, and then with a large spoon you can start mashing up the avocado against the bowl until it becomes like a chunky guacamole. Now that the avocado spread is done, we can start prepping the bacon. And just cut the bacon strips into 1/2 to 1 inch cuts. Now once the fresh hot toast is ready, start adding the avocado spread. 1 avocado will cover a large slice of sourdough bread. Now this bread was about 1.5 times larger than Dunkin's. Then add the sliced bacon strips over. And lastly, sprinkle over some everything on a bagel seasoning. Everything on a bagel seasoning is white and black sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and dehydrated minced onion and garlic. And there you go, Dunkin's newest bacon avocado toast. On the top is Dunkin's version and on the main screen is what I made. Now to my review. How does this compare to Dunkin's? Let's find out next. Alright, we've got the updated bacon avocado toast from Dunkin' Donuts. This is the updated avocado toast, same thing, just with bacon. So we're gonna give this a try. And this is a huge toast, much bigger than Dunkin' Donuts size. Wow, it tastes just like it. This tastes just like Dunkin' Donuts. Except I made my bread a little crispier. I put it in the toaster oven for a little longer to give it that crunch. But otherwise it tastes pretty much the same. Wow, this is really good. Yeah, honestly, I think I actually like this version. I think I like my version better. Only because I was able to make the bread crunchier and I think it tastes better that way.
on the sourdough bread. And all this was just one avocado. So that's how big this bread is. Almost double the size of Dunkin' Donuts avocado toast. Maybe 1.5 times the size. So you get more for your buck. But other than the bread, I feel like they taste the same, exactly the same. Really good. I can definitely see myself making more of these. So overall, yeah, these are 2 thumbs up. I give this a 10 out of 10 again. Yeah, I suggest make these on your own. And you can control the taste, the bread, the crispiness, and you can make more of it. So you can save money. So that's what I'll be doing. Definitely be making more of these. 2 thumbs up. All right, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Aloha.